Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Claire Morrison, and I'm here to help men over 50 stay healthy and confident at any age. Did you know that after the age of 60, even a small change in blood circulation can make your body react in completely different ways, both physically and emotionally? Many men tell me, "I still have the desire, but my body just doesn't respond anymore." They think it's because of aging, but that's not the truth. The body is simply speaking to you, reminding you that it's time to take care of it in a more conscious way. I'm Dr. Claire Morrison, and for nearly 20 years, I've been supporting men's health and vitality through the different stages of life. Today, I'm going to reveal a natural yet scientifically proven secret: the oils that doctors and even the world's longest living people use to maintain healthy circulation, a calm nervous system, and long-lasting control over both body and mind. In this video, we'll discover 4 natural oils that help the body rejuvenate and restore confidence from within. If you care about your health and want to take better care of yourself, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel Dr. Claire Morrison, Men's Health, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from and how old you are. That way, I'll know exactly who I'm speaking to. After the age of 60, a man's body begins to go through subtle yet profound changes. Testosterone levels, the hormone that sustains energy, muscle strength, and desire, gradually decline year after year. Blood circulation slows down, and the tiny vessels lose their elasticity. Meanwhile, the pelvic floor muscles, the foundation that supports the entire reproductive area, weaken day by day. When these factors combine, the result is loss of control, reduced firmness, and a growing sense of insecurity during intimate moments. But the most important thing to remember is this: these are not signs of decline. In fact, they're your body's way of reminding you that it's time to care for it differently, more gently, more patiently, and with greater awareness. Many men choose to hide, avoid, or rely on temporary stimulants. But just like an old engine forced to run beyond its limits, the more you push it with quick fixes, the more your body becomes exhausted, disrupting both circulation and the nervous system. If you understand what's happening inside, you'll realize that the issue isn't about desire. It's about the flow of energy, blood, nerves, and muscles. Once this river is unblocked, the body naturally restores control without the need for medication. Your body isn't weak. It's simply waiting for the right guidance to come alive again. And what's fascinating is that modern science has confirmed that by adjusting just 3 fundamental factors, a man can regain his natural sense of control and vitality, safely and sustainably. So, what are these 3 factors? And why do they determine the body's entire ability to stay in control? Let's explore them together, right now. To understand why some men in their 70s remain strong, confident, and full of energy, we need to look at the 3 foundational pillars of male health: blood circulation, pelvic floor muscles, and a balanced nervous system. First, blood circulation. Blood is the very essence of life. When blood vessels narrow due to aging, lack of movement, or high blood pressure, the amount of blood reaching the pelvic region decreases significantly. Cells no longer receive enough oxygen, and control gradually weakens. It's like a field deprived of water. No matter how good the seeds are, nothing can bloom. Second, the pelvic floor muscles. This is a group of hidden muscles that often go unnoticed but play a vital role. In youth, they work flexibly, like tightly tuned strings. But over time, due to prolonged sitting, excess weight, lack of exercise, or surgery, these muscles weaken. The result is loss of control and disrupted blood flow throughout the lower region. Finally, the nervous system. Stress, poor sleep, and anxiety overactivate the sympathetic nervous system. Instead of being in a state of relaxation and control, the body switches to a quick reaction mode, causing things to end sooner than desired. And this is exactly where natural plant-based oils make a remarkable difference. They don't just nourish the blood vessels and muscles, they also help calm the nervous system, restoring the body to its natural balance. Up next, I'll reveal the first type of oil, a powerful secret that has helped hundreds of my patients restore healthy circulation and regain control naturally, without medication. The first oil I always recommend for older men to start with is castor oil, also known as aceite de ricino. It's one of the most powerful natural oils for stimulating blood circulation in holistic medicine. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely into the tissues and muscles of the pelvic area. When circulation improves, the cells begin to receive enough oxygen, the nerves are better nourished, and the sense of control gradually returns. Many are surprised to feel a gentle warmth spreading from within after just a few weeks of proper use, not from medication or stimulation, but from the body's own natural vitality. How to use it is very simple. After a warm shower, gently pat the area dry. Place 3 to 5 drops of castor oil in your palm and rub your hands together to warm it slightly. Using your fingertips, gently massage in circular motions over the area between the scrotum and the anus, the perineum, for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the central region that regulates blood flow and nerve signals throughout the entire pelvic system. When you care for it properly, the blood vessels expand, the pelvic floor muscles are activated, and the communication between the brain, muscles, and heart becomes more harmonious. What's especially powerful about castor oil is that its benefits go beyond the physical. Taking a few quiet minutes each day to care for yourself helps reduce stress and reconnect you with your body and emotions. Think of this as a ritual of energy restoration, not just a simple technique. And once your circulation has been awakened, the next step is to protect and soothe the sensitive skin in this area, helping your body maintain long-term stability. Let's move on to the second oil, coconut oil. If castor oil is the flame that awakens circulation, then coconut oil is the gentle shield of protection for sensitive skin. Pure coconut oil contains lauric acid and natural antibacterial enzymes that help reduce irritation, fight mild inflammation, and maintain the ideal moisture level for the delicate skin around the pelvic area. Many older men experience dryness, redness, or discomfort after intimacy. This isn't just due to friction. It's also because the sebaceous glands become less active with age. When the skin dries out, the nerves in the area become overly sensitive, causing the body to react too quickly and lose control. Just a thin layer of coconut oil can protect the skin, reduce friction, support a natural rhythm, and enhance overall comfort. How to use. After cleaning the area, take about 1-2 teaspoons of coconut oil and warm it gently in your hands. Apply softly to the perineum or any dry or irritated area, moving slowly and evenly. Avoid mixing it with strong essential oils such as peppermint, cinnamon, or lemongrass, as they can cause irritation. What's remarkable about coconut oil is the soothing, cooling sensation that appears just a few minutes after application. It not only nourishes the skin, but also helps the nervous system relax, bringing a sense of lightness and calm. Many call this the natural recovery therapy. Because after just a few sessions, the skin becomes softer, the body's response is more balanced, and emotions more at ease. If coconut oil acts as the protector, the next oil is the trainer, the one that helps your blood vessels become stronger, more flexible, and more resilient. Let's explore olive oil, the secret behind some of the longest living regions in the world. If you've ever heard that people from the Mediterranean region tend to live longer and have lower rates of heart disease, their greatest secret is extra virgin olive oil. This oil is not just food, it's truly a healing elixir for the circulatory system. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, polyphenols, and powerful antioxidants that enhance the elasticity of blood vessel walls, improve blood flow, and reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of vascular weakness as we age. When applied topically, olive oil penetrates deeply into the tissues, nourishes the pelvic floor muscles, and supports healthy blood circulation in the reproductive area, helping the body respond more naturally and sustainably. How to use effectively. Place 3 to 4 drops of olive oil in your palm and warm it slightly. Begin to gently massage from the area between the scrotum and the inner thighs, moving slowly and evenly. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week, ideally in the evening or after a warm shower. After just a few sessions, you'll begin to feel a sense of lightness and flexibility in the lower region. Blood vessels open up, circulation improves, and the feeling of stiffness gives way to natural fluidity and comfort. But that's not all. The act of massaging with olive oil also helps the pelvic floor muscles work in harmony, much like a gentle exercise routine. For older men, just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. And once circulation is fully restored, the next step is to help the nervous system completely relax, allowing the body and mind to move in perfect balance. That's why the fourth oil, sweet almond oil, is known as the therapy of tranquility for both body and mind. After a long and tiring day, few things can calm the body and mind as effectively as a natural relaxation therapy. Sweet almond oil is the perfect choice for that purpose. It contains vitamin E, magnesium, and natural fatty acids that nourish the nervous system, ease muscle tension, and balance sensory signals. Unlike stimulating oils, almond oil works gently and sustainably, guiding the body into a deep state of relaxation, where control returns naturally, without force or strain. The best time to use it is in the evening, after a warm shower. Place 4 or 5 drops in your palm and warm it gently. Apply softly to the perineum and inner thighs, combining the movement with slow, deep breathing. Take about 10 minutes just for yourself. No phone, no rush. The combination of breath, touch, and subtle fragrance activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for deep relaxation, restorative sleep, and natural pleasure. This is what many doctors refer to as the body's healing response. When the heart rate slows down, blood flows evenly, the pelvic floor relaxes, and energy is restored. After a few weeks, many older men notice a remarkable improvement in their control, deeper sleep, and a lighter, calmer state of mind. Almond oil is not just a skincare product, it's a reconnection therapy, helping you tune back into your breath, your body, and your emotions. And for these oils to deliver their full benefits, the most important thing is to turn them into a ritual of self-care. Right now, I'll guide you through how to perform this ritual correctly, with precision, awareness, and emotion. Now that you've learned about the 4 natural oils, the most important part is how you practice. It's not just about applying oil, it's a holistic ritual of care, where your body, mind, and breath come together in harmony. Choose a quiet time, ideally in the evening after a warm shower. Make sure the space is clean, softly lit, and free from noise. You can play gentle music, turn off your phone, and allow your mind to rest. When the mind is calm, the body naturally enters a deeper state of relaxation. Start by cleansing the skin with warm water and a mild soap, then gently pat it dry. Next, place 4 to 6 drops of your chosen oil into your palms and rub them together to warm it slightly. This warmth not only helps the oil absorb better, but also awakens the sensory nerve endings in the area. Sit or stand comfortably, with your legs slightly apart and knees softly bent. Using your fingertips, massage slowly and in circular motions around the area, between the scrotum and the anus, the perineum. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. When you synchronize your breathing with smooth, rhythmic movements, the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, the system responsible for helping your body relax, recover, and regain control. Each session should last about 5 to 10 minutes. Afterward, let the oil absorb for at least 15 minutes before dressing. Remember, this is not just a technical exercise, it's a moment of connection. When you care for your body with respect and consistency, it responds with balance, control, and inner peace. And if you're wondering whether science supports this kind of practice, the answer is yes. Right now, I'll share with you some fascinating findings from modern medical research about the proven benefits of this natural therapy. In recent years, research from Harvard Health and the Mayo Clinic has confirmed that massage therapy combined with natural oils can increase pelvic blood flow by 25–30%, while significantly reducing stress and physiological anxiety in men over 60. This is no longer just traditional advice. It's a practice supported by modern science. When done consistently, blood vessels become more flexible, the pelvic floor muscles are reactivated, and the nervous system relearns how to Respond slowly instead of react quickly. That's why many men report noticeable, natural changes after just a few weeks, without medication or pressure. I'll never forget the story of Mr. Michael, a 65-year-old man from Ontario who had been avoiding intimacy out of fear that he was no longer the same. After practicing this nightly ritual with gentle walking and deep breathing, he told me, "I didn't just regain my strength, I found peace. I'm no longer afraid of failure. I trust my body again." That's the miracle science calls the restoration of natural reflexes, when the body relearns control and the mind relearns trust. When you maintain this self-care routine, the benefits go far beyond the pelvic area. Deeper sleep, emotional stability, stronger circulation, and renewed life energy. It's not magic, it's the reward of patience and truly listening to yourself. And now, let's move on to the final part, where we'll talk about the deeper meaning of caring for yourself in later life and why this journey is one of dignity and happiness. After all, the most precious gift of maturity doesn't lie in strength or speed. It lies in inner peace, when body and mind move in harmony. At any age, you can restore vitality, confidence, and self-control, simply by starting with small, consistent, and compassionate actions. The 4 natural oils I've shared today are not just methods of physical care. They are a journey back to yourself. Each drop is a reminder that your body still has the ability to heal, if you listen and treat it with respect. There's a quote I truly love: "Your body never betrays you. It only reflects how you treat it." When you learn to care for yourself with patience, you open a new chapter of health, freedom, and dignity. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with other men who also deserve to live strong and confident lives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Dr. Claire Morrison. Men's Health, to receive more natural, safe, and easy-to-follow health tips every day. And I'd love to hear your story. Leave a comment below. Tell me where you're watching from and which oil you've tried. Who knows? Your experience might inspire another man to begin his own journey toward vitality and self-trust.